Welcome to our channel. Today, we are comparing two amazing kitchen appliances to help you decide which one you should go for. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing reviews. If you are looking for a multifunctional appliance that can do it all, then Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven is the way to go. With 6-in-1 ultimate versatility, you can use it as a microwave, air fryer, convection oven, broiler, defroster, or a speedy combi. On the other hand, Secura Air Fryer is an all-in-one convenience cooker that allows you to fry, roast, bake, reheat, or grill. Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven comes with inverter technology that ensures even cooking, reheating, and defrosting. It uses 360 degrees heat circulation air fry to deliver crispier and golden fried food. When it comes to Secura Air Fryer, it uses convection technology that ensures fast and even frying with little to no oil. If you want more versatility and recipes to get you started, then Secura Air Fryer is the winner, as it comes with bonus accessories and a collection of delicious air fryer recipes. However, Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven comes with an original cookbook with 27 classic recipes and 11 auto menus, 10 air fry menus, and 6 defrost presets. If we talk about prices, Secura Air Fryer is much more affordable than Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven. Secura Air Fryer is priced at $56, while Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven is priced at $239. That's it for our comparison of these two amazing kitchen appliances. If you want more information about these products, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews.